How to add stickers in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to add the stickers on the photo or video that you have created on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto this button at the bottom right here. Select it. Now from here you can see your projects. Now simply choose one project that you would like to add sticker to, just like this. Now scroll to your right onto this toolbar, just like this. Then here you can find the sticker. Select it. Now from here you can simply add the sticker that you would like to add. Just like this, tap onto one. And now you can see it has been added. Now you can simply edit it just like this. And that's it. This is how you can add stickers into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.